Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today I am going to show you something really useful, especially if you have your own website. You are going to learn how to add a contact form to Google Sites. You know, a contact form is very simple tool, but it's super important. It allows you or people to send you message, ask question or request your service directly from your website. And the good thing is you don't need to know anything about coding to do it. But before we start, please make sure to check the description for the detailed information and the link. Okay, so let's get started. First, what is Google Site? See, Google Site is a free website builder from Google. It's very beginner friendly and perfect if you just want a simple website for your business, portfolio or personal use. But a website is not complete without a way for visitors to contact with you. Now that's why we need a contact form. The easiest way to add contact form in Google Sites by using the Google form. So don't worry, it's very easy. So Google form is also free and works perfectly with Google site. So first go to the Google Forms. You can open it from google.com, and from here you just simply click on this blank form and you can create your own contact form, or maybe if you want then you can use the contact form. It has a template from the Google, so I'm just using this one. So after just opening this, if you need to change anything, you just simply do this. Like if you need to change the text, if you need to change the way to the question or answering, like you can set it to paragraph. For text you can add the multiple choice or check boxes or whatever you need, and you can change the requirement, like if it is a mandatory option or not. So after doing all of these things, just give it a name like contact form. So I'm just keeping this and just save it. So after that, just move to the site.google.com, I mean the Google Sites, and just simply open your site like this one. Let's say my site, and I just want to add a contact from here. So just simply click on this, and now what you have to do, just go to the insert, and from here you will find a section for form. Or if you want to add a page to this for a contact page, you can do this from here, from page. Now go to this blank page, or if you want then let's say name this for contact page. So just simply click on this done, and you will find here it will create a new page for contact page. So after that, let's say I just want to add this contact from here on this contact page. So just simply click on this insert and search for this form. Just simply click on this and it will be open, and you can see your contact forms like from this. Let's give it a name for better understanding, contact us. Okay, got it. Then just save it. So you can see it's already changes here. So just simply click on this to select, and just simply click on this insert button to insert this page here. Okay, so let's give it a time. Okay, you can see it's inserted on this contact page. So if you want, then you can stretch or expand this to set it for the last of this page, and after that you can just simply publish it. So got it. Okay, let's publish. Okay, our site is published with this contact form, and simply you can just preview this from here. This is the preview page for the contact section and the contact form, and this is the mobile view for this contact form. So basically this is how you can easily add the contact form to your Google site. So I hope now you understand how you can easily add the contact form to your Google sites. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.